Oh, yeah. Here you go, sweet pea. Enjoy. Hello and happy Monday, everyone, and or happy whatever day it is you happen to be watching. Today it is awful and rainy and gray, and it's been like that since yesterday, so we'll see how long everything lasts. We're just gonna do a short one because there's not much we can do outside right now, and there's not a whole bunch I can do inside either, so sorry it's a short video, but let's go ahead and get into it. No matter what the temperature is outside or what the weather is doing, animals still need food and water. I unfortunately let all these build up again, so we're gonna start by dumping out. And cleaning up these buckets. Can I help you? Or are you trying to help me? Go on, go eat. Okay. There we go. Okay. Grab this. Holy moly. Okay. Let's go. And of course, can't forget to grab the one little egg. Come here. Climb it. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's go. With feeding the animals done and cleaning up those buckets, it is now time to get the project that I wanted to do done. And that is applying the first round of fertilizer for the year. Now, I've found around here that our soil is pretty basic, or alkaline. And what that means is it has a low acidity level on the pH scale. This is fine for most of the garden plants that I like to grow. I've never had any issues with most of them. There are a couple plants now, though, blueberries specifically, that thrive in more acidic soil. So I use a mixture or a fertilizer to amend the soil that we have to better suit our plants so they do better, produce better, and are just overall happier. I get a nifty box. It comes with all the instructions on it already. I'll show it to you in a minute, but I just follow the instructions on the box for applying fertilizer for container plants. Since they're still in containers and it's still so early in the year, I'm only going to apply one round of fertilizer, and then I'm going to apply more once we get closer to the growing season and when I finally transplant them into their permanent homes. This stuff is also great to fertilize your raspberries and blackberries with, so I went ahead and did those as well as the blueberries. So you can see me doing that in the background now. And here's the fertilizer itself. I got it last year and have been pretty pleased with the results. It's organic, has clear instructions on the box, and the box itself can be composted, so those are all big pros for me. So there it is, acid mix 436. I have 4 blueberries and 3 raspberry plants, and of the blueberries, only one of them has not been showing any signs of life this year. It was also kind of struggling a little last year. This is the one that's showing the most. You can see it's got quite a bit of new growth on it already, even though it's still just January. And then these are my happy raspberries. And that is all the outside that I can manage right now. It is cold out there. So fingers crossed we'll get some more snow melt off here so I can get in the garden, do the measuring that I want to get done, and start getting those raised beds in there. But until then, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, please let me know. Leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe. You can go check out my Instagram, my TikTok, or my blog. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye.